Hip labral repair with the 1.8 mm knotless hip FiberTak anchor, labral base stitch. Use a retractable hood burr to complete an acetabuloplasty and prepare the rim for anchor placement. Place a 20-degree curved drill guide on the acetabular rim and use a flexible drill pin to create a pilot hole for anchor insertion. Insert a knotless hip FiberTak anchor through the drill guide and impact the handle by hand to a positive stop. Initially set the anchor in bone by grasping the sutures and pulling the handle proximally. Remove the handle and pull all of the sutures to confirm the anchor is adequately set in bone. Remove the drill guide from the cannula and load a short tail of the white portion of the repair suture into the jaws of the Swift Stitch suture passer. Advance the Swift Stitch suture passer down the cannula and push it through the base of the labrum. Depress the black button and push it forward to release the suture into the joint. Pass the Swift Stitch through the mid-substance of the labrum and retrieve the suture and pull out all slack from the suture. Outside of the cannula, pass the white end of the repair suture through the loop of the shuttle suture and pull the non-looped end of the shuttle suture until resistance is felt. Gently pull 3 to 4 light tugs to pass the repair suture back through the anchor sheath. Pull on the repair suture to get the initial tension. Outside of the cannula, load the repair suture into the suture tensioner cutter for final tensioning and cutting. Insert subsequent anchors to complete the labral repair.